Want your profile to appear at the top when clients search for freelancers? In this video, I'll show you how to optimize your Upwork profile for search engines, right on the platform. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Upwork has its own internal search algorithm. Optimizing for it is like SEO for Google. It's all about using the right keyword strategically. Start with your profile title. It's the most important field. Include your primary keyword, e.g., WordPress developer, and a secondary skill, e.g., an SEO specialist. Next, your overview section is crucial. Weave in relevant keywords naturally while focusing on the client's needs and the solutions you provide. Don't just list skills. Explain how they help clients win. Your skills list acts as your keyword tags. Choose the 10 to 15 most relevant skills. Upwork will suggest popular ones. Use them if they fit, as they are likely common search terms. Finally, your portfolio items and their descriptions are also indexed. Use descriptive text with keywords for each project sample. A crucial pro tip: think like a client. What specific words would they type into the search bar to find a freelancer like you? Use those exact phrases throughout your profile, especially in the title and overview. And just like that, you've just increased your profile's visibility in client searches. Improving your profile SEO is a continuous process of refinement. What's the most important keyword in your profile title? Share it in the comments. To craft that title, subscribe for our next video on how to write an Upwork profile title. Thanks for watching.